Howdy, maintenance customers. I wanted to take a minute and let you know that I am thankful for you. We really appreciate you trusting us to take care of your HVAC system. I'm also thankful for air conditioning. I enjoy hanging out in my own home and being comfortable. And I am pretty certain that you do as well. And well, it's about that time of year again where it's about to get hot. And so we got to start thinking about our AC systems here in the Houston area. And so that's what we want to come out and do the cooling check and make sure that your system is ready to go for this hot Houston summer. And so we're going to come out, we're going to check all of the electrical components. We're going to make sure that it's blowing nice cold air. We're going to clean out that condensate drain line and make sure that everything is optimized and ready to go for the heat. Now, as a maintenance customer, we're going to come out during what we call this non-peak season. So before it gets blazing hot out there, so that way you're ready to go through the summer. Now, over the past year, we've been tracking our maintenance customers, and right now we're at a little over 98% of our maintenance customers are making it through those peak seasons. And if we narrow that down even more to our maintenance customers with systems less than 10 years old and still in warranty, it's even more. Then we exceed 99%. And so we have a great success rate of keeping our maintenance customers rolling through these peak seasons. And that's exactly what we want to do for you this year. We also have some exciting promotions that we want to share with you about. And just to let you know, we're not trying to just sell stuff. Like, we actually sell things that make sense, that work, and that will either extend the life of your system, will improve your indoor air quality, or just provide kind of general protection over various parts of the system. And so we'll be sharing some of those with you. And but yeah, once again, we're just grateful for you. We thank you for your trust, and we look forward to serving you this cooling season.